I may not be a genie, but I can make your wishes come true.
Hi guys, Ice here and welcome to day 1 of our Singapore adventure. We were up bright and early for our morning flight and of course we came prepared. We have snacks for takeoff. But Zoe finished even before the plane moved.
Nasaan yung crumbs? Crumbs. Yay! Akala mo hug pero wiping the crumbs. Crumbs.
To keep her entertained, we packed these sticker books which definitely came in handy. We just arrived, so we're going to YotelAir and we're gonna check in bago kami umikot. Okay, let's go! This hotel is conveniently located within Jewel Changi Airport. We left our bags for a bit before we headed out to eat.
Ito na yung bata, oh. Pretend eat na siya. Wawa naman. Ano ba last food niya? Super early breakfast. Tapos ngayon, 12 na. Kain pa na. Your order! Yay!
Ano ko itong gugupitin ngayon?
So I'm having the truffle chirashi nun, salmon and ikura. Masarap siya and kakaiba siya. Pero admittedly mas addictive yung yung aburi na may mayo and torched salmon.
Talaga?
Tayo?
May train pa.
Pwede ka magbayad para pero
Tapos, anong gagawin sa train? Iikot ka lang?
Iikutin ka.
Dito lang?
May ibang station.
Zoe, are you looking? Hello? Bigla na lang gusto mag-walk.
Alright, it's time to check in.
Here's our room. So, ito yung door. Pagpasok, yan na siya. Tapos mag-recline to, no? Sabi mo. Yan. So, medyo masikip. Pero may lagayan naman sa ilalim. Bar bags. CR. Bye-bye. Yan yung shower. Toilet. Zoe, there's a table, oh. Table.
I may not be a genie, but I can make your wishes come true. I feel so much lighter now.
Cute. We have 100% vegan. Hello? Hello, Jojo? Hello.
What?
What to do?
Zoe, what?
Where are you going?
Wow.
Gold talaga? Totoo?
Maninipis lang siya, hindi siya. Kaya siya mura kasi manipis lang. Hindi siya like yung solid gold na
Ito. Ang galing, oh. Fresh orange juice.
Parang
Okay,
lumang-luma.
foreign exchange, oh. Selected items. Okay, Zoe, do you want to look? Choose something. Do you want to choose some shoes? Do you want cocomelon? Wala na. Are you gonna get that?
Masarap naman. Hindi lang para sa kanya.
Uy, suot na siya mag-isa yung new shoes niya. Let's add more, Zoe. Add tayo more. Cute, no? Second tip na ni robot.
Top check.
Ah, top check.
Para bumalik siya, bastos.
Sorry.
Hindi mo ina-acknowledge yung service.
That's it for our day 1 in Singapore. Thanks for coming along. See you in the next one.